Greetings, one and all. Welcome to Yum Chanted. Let's cook wise, eat wise, and be calorie wise. Here is a healthy sweet for you Ragi Puran Poli, a gluten free version of Puran Poli. I made this keeping in mind the dawn of Indian New Year celebrated as Ugadi, Gudi Padwa, Puttanda, Vishu, Vaisakhi in different parts of India. Wish you all a healthy and sweet year ahead. Ragi, also known as finger millet, is a superfood. It is known to be a natural weight loss food that is rich in fiber, minerals, and vitamins. I used this instead of all-purpose flour and it turned out really yummy. This recipe makes 8 pieces and each piece has 210 kilocalories. To start with, let's put a quarter cup of chana dal, quarter cup jaggery, 4 pieces of cardamom and a half cup of water. Cover it with lid and pressure cook this. In the meantime, let's make our ragi dough. Boil 1 cup water with a pinch of salt and 1.5 teaspoon of sesame. Once water starts to boil, add 1 cup ragi flour and turn off the flame. Mix the flour well. Add 3 teaspoons of ghee. Wet your hands with cold water and knead the dough into a soft ball. Ragi is a fine choice for diabetic and diet-conscious people. It is rich in dietary fiber and has loads of calcium in it. Add 2 more teaspoons of ghee and knead again. Cover it and keep it aside. Our chana dal here is cooked. Grind it into a soft puree. In a pan on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and transfer the chana dal jaggery mix into this. Mix it continuously till it becomes into a soft dough like this. This is our puran. Let's take the ragi dough and divide it into 8 almost equal portions. Let's do the same with puran. Grease your hands and flatten the ragi dough like this. Put the puran in this and seal it. On an aluminium foil, put few drops of oil and flatten this gently using your hands. If you want, you can trim the edges to get a perfect round puran poli. Place a pan on medium heat and add quarter teaspoon of oil. Place the flattened ragi puran poli and toast it on both sides. I put about 2 teaspoons of oil per puran poli. You can use ghee if you like. It takes about 4 minutes to toast it on both sides. Here you go, our healthy and tasty Ragi Puran Poli is ready to be relished. Prepare it for yourself and your family and stay fit. For more such yummy, easy and healthy recipes, please subscribe to Yum Chanted. Please like, comment, share and stay tuned. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. Stay healthy and stay fit.